Looking for reliable surgical instruments? You're in the right place. Welcome to Spec Surgical Industry, your reliable partner in manufacturing and exporting top-quality surgical instruments. Today we're shining a spotlight on the Richardson-Eastman Retractor, your must-have tool for deep tissue retraction. As a leading manufacturer, Spec Surgical ensures every retractor is crafted with precision and care to meet the high standards of surgeons worldwide. The Richardson-Eastman Retractor is made from premium-grade stainless steel, offering unmatched strength and durability. It provides clear visibility of the surgical site by efficiently retracting tissue, minimizing trauma. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue. At Spec Surgical Industry, we know that reliable surgical instruments are crucial. Our products, like the Richardson-Eastman Retractor, are trusted for their quality, durability, and adherence to international standards. We're committed to enhancing patient care and outcomes. Thanks for watching. Interested in the Richardson-Eastman Retractor or our wide range of surgical instruments? Contact Spec Surgical Industry today. And don't forget to subscribe for updates on our latest products.